Putting on the gimbal cover of the DJI Mini 5 Pro can be a pain. It feels like you're about to damage something, right? Don't worry, you're not alone. Here is the safe and easy way to do it. This strap here is the key. With one finger you pull it away and then you grab your drone and place the cover gently in front of the lens. On the bottom side, the cover has to be in the middle of these two elements. This is important. With the strap sitting correctly at the top and the cover in between these elements at the bottom, you can simply push it down until it locks in. Check that the cover sits properly, and now you can push the propellers down slightly to easily slide them in under the cover. Turn your drone and check that the upper propellers sit on top of each other. Now you take the strap and pull it over to lock them properly. And that's it, quick and easy.